How's it going, everybody? This is the Midwest Fan Collector here with another fan video, and today I'll be showing you this antique brass cane-bladed Tatung ceiling fan that Tori got, I believe, from Spencer at Fanimation. I don't know why, but I really like this fan. It's pretty cool, little G vent cane-bladed fan. Alright, it's also got a nice Tatung pull chain. Now we'll start off on low.
Well, hey, at least you're able to fix that. Sorry about the little battery thing.
And there's a gay fan casually running in the background.
Gay fan.
Nice aesthetic low speed for a small fan.
No go.
And now we'll go to medium.
It go fast go.
Do it go, it do.
It do. Where the fuck are we at?
I think it's a little wobbly.
Wow.
It's a big thug.
Alright, now we'll go to high and hopefully it won't fly off the ceiling.
No, it'll be alright.
It'll be alright.
It do be fine.
Where's the mean green?
Oh, that's over here.
It's a decent little air mover. This would be perfect for like a mobile home bedroom or a laundry room fan or something like that, or a kitchen fan.
It's too small for that thing.
Alright folks, now we'll turn it off.
I swear it must be the galaxy behind me.
Alright folks, hope you enjoyed this short video, and as always, more to come later. God bless.